You ready?
Yep.
What are you ready for?
Candy Crush's channel.
Okay.
Yep. Hey guys, welcome to Candy Kitty's channel. I'm Kamu. I'm Ahau. I'm Didi.
Coming up on KMD Kitty's channel. In our learning section, we'll be teaching you guys how to make Play-Doh using ingredients you can find in the house. Under our series of stories, Candy Buddies will be teaching us the importance of thinking before we speak.
For lunch, we're making yummy nachos. We close the show with a plank.
Today we are making our own Play-Doh. The nice thing about this is you can find these ingredients in your house and your parents can save money.
To Play-Doh, you need
Flour, cream of tartar, salt, cooking oil, lukewarm water, food coloring, and Ziploc bags or an airtight container. Mix all the dry ingredients together. And then mix the oil and the water. Add the oil and the water into the dry ingredients. Mix it up until the mixture is doughy.
some of them red and some from flour. Right? Then have some water.
Knead the dough into a ball. Once it's done, this is how it should look like. Divide the dough into balls or depending on how many colors you have.
Add the food coloring, the different colors that you have. We have green, pink, yellow, and then we mixed the yellow and the pink to make an orange. Dimple, what
Yes?
color do you have?
Yellow.
Okay.
Put in the yellow orange. It's gonna be yellow.
What do you want? What do you want, Didi?
The rainbow. The rainbow color. Guys, gonna give me green and yellow and pink and red.
You can't mix the colors. What happened to your color?
My yellow to the show. Oh, this is not big. Doesn't show this on the one and I bring yellow and then I break it.
You break.
This is our pink. This is our yellow. And this is our green. This is our orange. This is how the final product would look like. If you want it to last longer and keep it soft, put it in an airtight container or in a Ziploc bag.
No, senor, please. Please don't do that to me. No, senor, please. Please, just don't do that to me.
Can you put yours in a bag?
Okay. Now this does not spray my bag. It's dirty in my bag. This.
What? Put it in your bag.
No. Still this sweaty slide in my bag. Mommy used Gamma's bag.
Gamu already has used her bag, so you need to put yours in your own bag.
No, my bag is nothing. Bye, Mommy.
Bye. Have a good day.
Hi, Lelo.
Hi, Christine. Oh, you ran on time. Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Speak.
Today we'll be talking about different types of plants. Can you give me examples of the ones you know?
I can. A rose.
A protea.
A dandelion.
Sunflower.
For homework today, I need you to name the 2 plants you see on the board. Remember, we have camp tomorrow. See you in the morning.
Bye.
Good morning, class. Have you all put your bags in the kumbi?
Yes, we have.
Then let's get going.
Hi class, welcome to the Eye of Africa. We are hoping you enjoy your stay with us for the next 2 days. I hope you guys enjoyed the marshmallow bra on the fire. Have a good sleep. We'll start hiking at 7 a.m. sharp. Candy, wake up. It's time to go hiking.
Leave me alone. I just want to sleep a little. Come on.
Okay, I'm leaving you then.
Oh my gosh, I'm late. Where are my hiking shoes? Oh my gosh, no ways. I think Rose stole my shoes. I'm gonna be late for hiking.
Candy, why are you wearing flip-flops? You're going hiking.
Guys, I swear I packed my shoes. But when I wake up this morning and I checked my bag, my shoes were gone. I think Rose stole my shoes.
Oh, are you saying Rose is a thief?
Of course she is.
Ooh.
Did you hear that Rose stole Candy's shoes?
Oh my gosh, does that mean she's responsible for stealing my crayons?
Oh, we've caught the thief. Here she comes, guys.
Hi guys.
Go away, you thief.
Excuse me, why are you calling me a thief?
Because you stole Candy's shoes. And you also stole Christine's crayons.
What are you talking about?
Don't pretend like you don't know what I'm talking about.
You can't accuse me of something I didn't do.
You know you did.
I didn't.
Stop it.
Hi guys, is everybody ready? We'll go up the mountain just now, but I have a message from Candy's mom. Candy forgot her hiking shoes at home, so we'll find her an activity to do while we hike.
Oh my gosh, Candy, you lied. We need to apologize to Rose. Hi, Rose. We just want to say sorry for accusing you of something that you didn't do.
Sorry, Rose. Just remember, guys, it's important to think before you speak. Just to remind you, think stands for, is it true? Is it helpful? Is it important? Is it necessary? Is it kind? Here's the recap. Is it true? Is it helpful? Is it important? It's not just story. Is it kind? Think.
It's lunchtime!
Time to make nachos. With this cheese,
Nachos, avocado, salsa, plain yogurt, cheese, chicken fillets, lemon juice, salt, mash the avocado, add some salt, and then add some lemon juice. Put your nachos in a pan. Add the grated cheese. Put the nachos in the oven until the cheese melts.
it's done. It's finished. It's yum.
So, my sister and I decided to prank our dad.
So, for the prank, we made onion water, pretending it was tea. We made it with onion skin and boiled water. We put it in somewhere cool for 24 hours for it to change color. And then we made stop it! And then we made him his favorite tea and mixed it with the onion water.
Now check this out.
Hope you've enjoyed what we have put together for you.
Don't forget to like,